How to transfer WhatsApp chats without backup iPhone to iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. And once you open it up, you have to go ahead and sign into your account. Now once you are signed into your WhatsApp account, simply tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. And once you are inside settings, simply scroll below and then tap on chats under privacy. And once you are in the chat section, scroll below again and then you'll find an option that says transfer chats to iPhone. So go ahead and tap onto it. And once you are in this section, simply tap on start. Now you can go ahead and download WhatsApp on your new iPhone and then register with the same phone number. And after you do that, use this phone to scan the QR code shown on your new phone, and then you'll be able to transfer WhatsApp chats without a backup in your new iPhone. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.